Hey guys, I'm going to share a powerful way how, with the help of Ho'oponopono, you can actually clear any kind of body ache or body pain in anywhere in your body. All that you have to do is just surrender, close your eyes, and just repeat after me and follow my instructions. So let's get started. So put your right hand on your heart, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and just relax. And now just repeat with me. My dear body, I'm sorry for whatever has created this pain. I'm sorry for not taking enough care of you. Please forgive me as I have been taking you for granted many times. Thank you, my dear body, for being there with me and cooperating with me and making me capable enough to do so many activities in my daily life. I love you, my dear body. I love the way I feel when I start respecting you and I treat you like a temple. So, my dear body, I promise that I will always take enough care and will have enough love and respect for you. My dear body, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now you can gently open your eyes and you can actually repeat this maybe for 4 to 5 times as long as you feel that your pain has just disappeared. And while you feel that the pain is just getting released from your body, it is just evaporating like a black smoke from your body, and you are feeling absolutely calm and relaxed. So you can repeat rounds as long as you are convinced that this pain is no longer part of your body.